Do you have a top career objective to work in a fashion environment? Do you adore fashion? If that love includes designing your own clothes or fashion accessories like handbags. Have you ever thought about making a living as a fashion designer? When it comes to being a fashion designer, many individuals feel that it is a dream of theirs that is just not destined to become a reality. While this is sometimes the case, it doesn't always have to be. With the right willpower and the need to succeed, you can easily make money as a fashion designer. When it comes to making money as a fashion designer, many individuals believe that they can only be successful if they have taken degree or from a well-known fashion institute and if they don't see the designs on the runways in New York or Paris. Concept of a professional degree is totally different as you learn proper drafting, pattern making and draping as you design your products. If you want to be a famous fashion designer, then it would be definitely help. Here I'm only talking about how you can make money as a fashion designer. Did you know that you can make money as a fashion designer making your own clothes right from your own living room or home office? You can. If you would like to know more on how you can go through about this, you will want to watch this video. As you likely already know, many fashion designers start out with simple drawings on paper. Many have the dream of turning their drawings into real pieces of clothing or fashion accessories. Therefore, many do so. What is the nice about making a living as a fashion designer is that you have a number of different options. For instance, if you were just starting out small to see how your designs would sell, you can not only be the designer but the maker as well. If you would like to hire assistants either right away or after your business took off, you could do as well. If you are interested in starting your own fashion design business, you will want to think about having your own online website. In fact, many fashion designers sell their products exclusively on their own online websites, not in some big fancy fashion store. Of course, if your fashions take off, you could later choose to do so if you want. If you also want to sell your own fashions locally, you may want to think about renting some business space. If you carefully choose your space, you cannot only have a sales floor, but you may also be able to have a warehouse where you can make and store your fashions. This is ideal if you are interested in running both an online fashion store and a storefront one. If you have been interested in being a fashion designer for a while now, there is a good chance that you already have some of the many supplies needed. For instance, you probably already have a large selection of drawing materials, a sewing machine, and likely even a collection of fabrics. If that is the case, you will find that the startup costs associated with getting your fashion design business up and running are minimal. For many, it is the cost of starting a business that poses the biggest problem, but it may not necessarily be a problem for you. Of course, when it comes to running a fashion business, even just a small online, you need to remember to abide by all local, state, and federal laws. For more information on running a small business like a fashion design business out of your home, you may want to think about speaking with your local government officials. If they cannot assist you, they should be able to point you in the direction of someone who can.